Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cecilia. Today I'm going to share with you different ways to style my new Chanel bag while pairing it with some of my new favorite classic and timeless fall outfits. This Chanel bag has been on my wish list for quite some time, but it was so hard to get. I finally got my hands on it from Chanel's 24K collection. And I'm beyond excited to show you the bag and share different ways to wear it, as well as what fits inside later in this video. This is the Chanel Pearl Crush Mini Rectangular Bag. I love this brushed gold tone pearl, it's so pretty. It is in black lambskin leather and brushed gold tone hardware. This is so beautiful, classic and elegant. The interior has the gold color lambskin leather with two slots inside. One of them is with zipper. It has Chanel spelled out inside the bag, as well as the metal plate with serial number. It has the Chanel's classic diamond quilting and features the iconic CC tongue lock closure. Its standout feature is the adjustable chain strap, which includes a beautiful brushed gold tone pearl that allows for easy length adjustment, offering both versatility and a touch of sophistication. Its compact size is perfect for carrying essentials while making a chic fashion statement. This is currently selling for $5,800 and with tax is about $6,300. It also comes with the cleaning cloth and the Chanel care booklet. I absolutely love this bag. It's such a timeless and elegant piece. Speaking of classy, elegant, and timeless, I also want to show you the tweed jacket I'm wearing right now. I'm obsessed with it. I wore it out with my friend last week and they thought it was from Chanel. The quality is so good and it has that signature Chanel vibe, but it's actually from Goelia. Chanel's tweed jackets are stunning but very expensive, usually ranging between $7,000 and $10,000. The one that I'm wearing though is much more affordable and still gives that elegant, timeless look, and this is only selling for $119. Just to be clear, this is not a sponsor video. However, Goelia was kind enough to send me a few pieces to try for the season. In today's video, I will be giving you my honest thought on the items I selected from Goelia. I also got you guys the discount code, and that's 10cc for $10 off and 20cc for purchases over $169. And the second discount code is only good for 10 days from today. I love the adjustable function of the Chanel Pearl Crush. I can easily shorten the length. And now it's a shorter shoulder bag. I picked out this jacket which I think it pairs perfectly with my new Chanel bag. This gorgeous blue tweed jacket is made primarily from cotton and the quality is once again stunning. I adore the champagne gold buttons. They add a touch of luxury. This jacket is a fantastic layering piece, especially for cooler days in fall or autumn. I shortened the chain and now it's a top handle bag. So cute. The next piece I got is this beautiful light pink tweed jacket. It's a piece I know I will wear for years to come. The quality really surprised me. It's absolutely beautiful. Underneath, I'm wearing this white top. It's also from Goelia. It has short sleeves and I'm in love with the net detail. You feature a round neckline with a semi-sheer panel at the top, which looks so elegant. The fabric is super stretchy and comfortable. I got this in size medium. I think the medium is a little too loose for me. I should have ordered the small. I think this top is such a chic and stylish piece that can be dressed up or down. I love this light pink color, and the saddle sequins add the perfect touch of sparkle, making the jacket look so beautiful. It's fully lined, fit very nicely, and most importantly, the fabric isn't itchy. It's super comfortable to wear. I love the silver button on the pink jacket. They complement the colors so well. I'm wearing a size small, and I would say it's true to size. This tweed jacket is incredibly versatile. You can easily dress it up with skirt or trousers for an evening out, or go casual by pairing it with jeans for a chic daytime look. Moving on to this white wide leg jeans. I absolutely love the fabric. It's made from a soft denim material, which is incredibly comfortable to wear. These jeans look like tailored trousers, so they give that chic, polished vibe, but with the casual feel of denim. I know I'll be wearing this a lot, especially during the fall and spring season. Next up is this beautiful cardigan, which actually comes as a set with a short sleeve dress. This set is very Chanel inspired look. I will show you the dress in just a moment, but first let's talk about why I love this cardigan. The fabric is very soft and comfortable to wear. The shape is also very flattering, which make it a go-to for layering over many outfits. In terms of value, I think this set is fantastic because you can easily mix and match. The cardigan will look great paired with pants or jeans for a more casual look. I'm carrying this Chanel bag as a shoulder bag, and I can easily adjust the length to match my outfit of the day. It looks so chic together. Here I am carrying this Chanel bag as a crossbody. This sleeveless dress comes as a set with the cardigan, and I love that dress has the pockets. Such a practical detail. The quality of the set is excellent, and it looks both classy and stylish on its own. Paired with the Chanel bag, it adds an effortless touch of elegance to the whole look. This is my new Chanel Pearl Crush bag, and today I'm going to compare it with my mini rectangle bag. I'll be looking at the difference in design, size, and functionality to help you decide which one might suit your style and needs better. The Chanel Pearl Crush bag has the 6 cm in depth, 12 cm in height, and 24 cm in width. I'm going to put them side by side to see if there is any difference in size. I think they are the same size in the front and also on the bottom. By looking from top to bottom, it's also the same. And the size, it seems the same also. The only thing I noticed is that the mini rectangle bag, the leather is a little bit more puffier than my new Pearl Crush bag. Both has pocket on the back, And the chain, there is a difference in the chain size. The mini rectangle bag has a little thicker chain than the pearl crush bag. But of course the pearl crush has the pearl with the adjustable chain. The chain on the mini rectangle bag is about 3 cm longer than that of the pearl crush. However, the pearl crush has added a benefit of being adjustable for more versatility. I really love the pearl crush. It has both the beauty and the functionality. Its adjustable chain feature makes it so versatile while still keeping that classic, elegant look. Next, I'm going to show you what fits inside my Chanel Pearl Crush bag. It is a small bag, but it holds all my essentials. So let's take a look. Yes, it fits my Chanel sunglasses too. The trick is to use a soft case instead of the bulky hard case, so they don't take up too much room. I love the mini pearl detail on the Chanel sunglasses. It adds a chic and sophisticated touch. This pair of sunglasses, it says made in Italy. I love the hard case for the Chanel sunglasses. It has the classic Chanel quilted detail as well. Next is my Chanel card holder. One has 2 card slots on the back and one in the front, and then there is middle section. I love this card holder. This is very classic and beautiful. Next, I have the Dior Lip Glow Balm in the color Dior A. I love this beautiful sheer color. Next, I have this Chanel Healthy Glow Lip Balm. I love this one too. It is lightweight, has a sheer lip color, and provides lasting hydration. I love the shade it provides in the color warm. I think this is very beautiful. I love both of these lip balms, especially the weather gets colder. They keep my lips hydrated while adding beautiful sheer colors. Next is my car key. And here is my hand sanitizer. This is a must-have. Next, I have my hand lotion. My hands get really dry in the colder month. I always like to keep my hand moisturized. I think this is a very good hand lotion. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Last but not least, I got my iPhone. It fits perfectly right on the side. Since I'm using my iPhone to record, here is the case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I can still close my bag easily. As you can see, the Chanel mini rectangle bag holds a lot more than you expect. It's perfect for carrying all my daily essentials while still looking super chic. Thank you so much for watching. I will link all the clothes I'm wearing in the description box below. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye now.